an activity about math lesson, about classifying odd and even.
Even and odd, even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers. I saw 4 hermit crabs and 6 tropical fish. Even numbers of crabs and fish I saw at the beach. You saw 3 beautiful flowers and 5 colorful birds. Odd numbers of flowers and birds you saw in the mountains. Even and odd, even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers.
Goodbye. I hope you enjoy it.